Egg patterns are highly effective for nearly all members of the salmonid family. Different variations exist, but I really like the sleek single egg look. Adding the light topping of peach-colored yarn mimics the skein that keeps eggs together, adding an enticing element that fish can't resist. Red Sharpie breaks up the monotone color of the yarn, giving that small touch of extra detail. How do you tie your egg patterns? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.